So I'm making affogatos. I've already put 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream. Normally you put vanilla. Affogato is for drowned in Italian. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a shot of espresso into each of these little dessert cups. But I have been craving some kind of Nutella-like thing. So we're going to add a shot of 𝐷iSerrano with that too. Now I'm just waiting for this lovely little machine to heat up and we can get going. There it goes. Now this is the 1-shot portafilter tray, so we're gonna count now. As soon as I hit this button, you want anywhere from 16 to 18 second shots. All right, let's go. And now. That is actually a horrible shot. So we're going to try again. Let's go rinse this off. I don't think I'm gonna be using this anymore. The difference between the baskets. I don't like this one. I'm just gonna go back to what I am used to using, which is a double shot portafilter. Ground coffee, I use this, or ground espresso, it's 𝐈𝐈 and I used a Krups grinder at 20 seconds and it was enough to, give me this ground right here, which is perfect for this. Tap it out a little bit so it evens out. Looks like I could use a little bit more. Tap it out again. Then use the tamper. Don't press too hard, so press lightly. Should look like this. Now we're going to try the double shot. That's what I usually brew. And let's get going again. Set up. Light is green. Again, 16 to 18 second shots. And off. Now it looks like one side bored a little bit more than the other. That's okay. I'll take the shorter shot. And this is what we come up with. This is a little much better. All right. So we'll let the machine do its thing. Got my shots. Got my 𝐷iSerrano. Let's see. How are we gonna do this? I actually think we're gonna need the shot. 𝐷iSerrano first. It's this side. Just enough for 1 shot. Throw that guy in there. Throw the espresso, and boom. All right, next one up. 𝐷iSerrano. Shot of espresso, bam.